Okay, so now let's go ahead and add our camera. So in the previous video we have added this main camera right here. Okay, now what we will do in this video is we will create a camera which will be able to rotate around the player. Okay, we will create a third person view. So for that purpose we will be using CineMachine camera. And as you guys know that in the starting videos we have already added the package, okay, the CineMachine package. So if you didn't add the package or miss that step, then let me tell you again that just simply click on window, find package manager, then make sure that you are in the Unity registry, and then in the Unity registry just simply search for CineMachine, and it will show the CineMachine package like this, and just simply install it. As I have already installed it, so it is showing the remove button. Okay, after this what we will do now is to add an actual CineMachine camera. You can create a camera from here. Okay, from the game object CineMachine you can create a camera for yourself right from these options, but that will be lengthy and time taking. So what I did is create a third person CineMachine camera, and I will be providing that third person CineMachine camera to all of you guys. Okay, so just simply go ahead and download this zip file by the name of CineMachine cams. Okay, and just simply extract this folder, and then just simply drag and drop this inside your game like this. Okay, just simply drag and drop this inside this assets folder, and as you can see here is the CineMachine. Okay, and if you are confused with this option, then just simply select your assets folder, then right click on this show in explorer, and it will open up this. Then just simply open up the assets. Okay, and then minimize this, then just simply cut or copy this from here and paste it inside your assets folder. Okay, you can do that as well. So now since it is inside our project, let me now delete these two from here. If you want, you can delete it as well. Then just simply click on CineMachine cams, and in here you will find this third person CineMachine. Okay, what we will do is we will simply drag and drop this inside our hierarchy right there, and then if you selected it will show these options right here. So in the follow and look at, just simply drag and drop the player like that. But if we click on the player, okay, as you can see right here that the player, this player main game object is right here in the middle of the player body, as you can see. So we don't want the third person camera to look at that position. So what we will do is we will open up this player main game object, then right click, and we will create a empty game object in here, and let's name this as look point. Okay, then as you can see the look point is in the player feeds. Let me just drag and drop it right here to the head of the player like that, and then click on third person CineMachine, and now in the look at we will add the look point like that. Okay, then what we will do is we will simply click on the main camera. Okay, and let me minimize that. On in right here on the main camera we will add this component which is by the name of CineMachine brain. If you can't find it, then you can just simply type CineMachine and it will show this CineMachine brain. That is it. And now right here as you can see live camera is the third person CineMachine. So now the main camera will follow this third person CineMachine view angle, as you can see. You don't need to change any other values of this third person CineMachine. Okay, you can change the options from here if you want the camera here and there, but I have already set up all of these values. But if you want, you can change them according to your game need. Okay, so once the CineMachine is added, now if we play the game, you will notice now that our camera is working perfectly fine, as you can see. Okay, now after this, the next thing which we need to do is we want the player to move. Okay, so we will be adding some player movement in the upcoming videos. So with our camera added, let's end this video right here.